All right, time to get up and do some stuff. It is definitely colder today. If I'm gonna stay warm, I'm gonna need to make this shelter a whole lot better. Let me show you something weird about snow. You can see this right here is the path I made with my snowshoes yesterday. You can see where yesterday I walked on it without snowshoes and I sunk in, but today it's rock hard. If you stomp a trail down with snowshoes and let it sit overnight, it'll freeze up and turn really hard. Snowshoes are great for building paths in the snow like this. I want to push this snow berm back a little bit and make a little bit more room, so I've been throwing my tree limbs and logs in here. It takes a long time for the fire to melt the snow, but it's a lot better than shoveling. Ooh. There we go.